What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into the world of email marketing with a comprehensive review of MailerLite, a powerful tool designed to elevate your email campaigns to new heights. So let's start. MailerLite is an all-in-one email marketing platform known for its user-friendly interface, robust features, and affordability, making it a popular choice for businesses and individuals alike. Now let's talk about the first standout feature, the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Creating stunning email campaigns has never been easier. MailerLite's editor allows you to effortlessly design eye-catching newsletters, sales promotions, or any other type of email, even if you're not a design expert. Simply drag and drop elements like text, images, buttons, and more into your canvas. Customize fonts, colors, and layouts with just a few clicks. It's a game changer for those who want a professional-looking email without the hassle. Now let's move on to the second powerful feature, automation and autoresponders. With MailerLite, you can set up automated email sequences that nurture leads, welcome new subscribers, or even re-engage inactive customers. Simply create a workflow, define triggers, and watch as MailerLite takes care of the rest. This feature is a time saver, allowing you to focus on your business while MailerLite handles the personalized communication with your audience. The third feature that sets MailerLite apart is advanced segmentation. Targeting the right audience is crucial for the success of your email campaigns, and MailerLite makes it a breeze. Segment your subscribers based on their behavior, preferences, or any custom criteria you choose. This level of personalization ensures that your emails are relevant and resonate with your audience, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Now let's talk about the bottom line, pricing. MailerLite offers a transparent and affordable pricing structure. Whether you're just starting or have a growing subscriber base, MailerLite has a plan for you. Check out their website for the latest pricing details and special offers. MailerLite is a robust email marketing solution that combines ease of use with powerful features. The drag-and-drop editor, automation, and advanced segmentation are just a glimpse into what makes MailerLite a top choice for businesses of all sizes. If you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level, give MailerLite a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.